Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. In today's video, we are going to revise lesson number 1, plant reproduction. So, we are going to revise this lesson for the preparation of periodic assessment 1. Okay children? So, watch the video carefully and try to revise the concept and the important points of this lesson, so that you can revise the lesson, the chapters easily. Okay, let's start our lesson. Plant reproduction. Here, reproduction means producing the young ones. To increase the number of plants, when they produce the young ones of their own kind, that process is called reproduction. As you have studied children, plants are living things. So you know the properties of living things. Living things need food and water to grow. They need air to breathe. They can respond to changes. They grow in size and they reproduce. So in this lesson, we will see how plants reproduce. Plants reproduce in different ways. They reproduce through. Plants reproduce through seeds, stems, roots, leaves and spores. Okay. So first we will see growing plants from seeds. So many plants bear flowers. Flowers develop into the fruits that have seeds inside them. New plants grow from these seeds. The common procedure of the reproduction is through the seeds. This is common. Okay. So here the example is given, apple tree. Okay. So apple plants grow from seeds. Okay children. Apple plants grow from seeds. So here are some seeds given in this picture, different types of seeds. So here we can see the structure of seed, okay, the parts of the seed. When we take a bean and observe it closely, we will see a hole in it. See, here you can see the parts of seed. So here a small baby plant which you can see, that is embryo, grows into a new plant. So a small plant you can see, that is embryo. Okay, and these two leaf-like structures, they are called seed leaves or cotyledons. Seed leaves or cotyledons. These when we cut a bean, we can find these two parts. So these two leaf-shaped structures are called seed leaves or cotyledons. And very small plant which you can see it is growing from inside, that is called embryo. Later on it grows as new baby plant. Okay. So here one more important procedure, seed germination. The process by which a seed starts growing into a seedling is called germination. The process by which a seed starts growing into a seedling is called germination. Okay children. Let's move on to the next topic. Growing plants from stems. Okay, just now you have seen growing plants from seed, and in that you have seen example apple tree, and the parts of a seed also you have seen. So some plants which grow from stem. As we have seen, plants reproduce through seed, stem, okay, root, leaf. Okay, so now we will see growing plants from stems. So some plants such as potato and ginger can reproduce through stems. Potato and ginger are underground stems. They have buds called eye on them. A piece of their stem having an eye can grow. So as you can see potato plant here. So actually potato is a stem. And one more example of stem which is edible for us, that is sugarcane. So children, sugarcane and potato, they are stems and they reproduce through the stem. Okay. Next, we will see growing plants from roots. So growing plants from roots, for this example, we can see carrots. Okay. So carrot is a root. Remember, here we have seen potato and sugarcane are stems. Okay. And this carrot, radish, turnip, these are roots. Okay. Example of growing plants from root is carrot. Okay. Now we will see growing plants from spores. Its example is fern plant. Okay. Now here is seed dispersal. How the seeds are dispersed: by the wind, by water, by animals, okay, and dispersal by explosion. Okay, these methods by which the seed disperse, that we have seen. Here you can see this picture, lady's finger plant, okay, lady's finger plant, and here pea plant, okay. So here the dispersal takes place through the explosion. The wall of the bean ruptures and this peas come out. Okay. Now here are some questions to check your knowledge. Quick check. Here you can see new apple trees grow from. Whatever we have learned till now, based on that, questions are here. New apple trees grow from dash. How the apple tree grows? From seed. Correct answer is seed. Dash is the protective outer covering of a seed. In the structure of seed, we have seen the outer cover of seed is called seed coat. Outer cover of seed is called seed coat. The process of a seed growing into a seedling is called germination. The process of seed growing into a seedling is called germination. Now, a piece of potato with a dash can grow into a new plant. So, from where the potato plant grows? From the stem. Okay, remember, potato, stem. Pea seeds scatter by explosion. Just now we have seen. Okay, then here the new topic, agriculture and crop production. Okay. So, as agriculture is the common, main occupation for the people of India in the villages. So, most of the farmers, they grow crops, okay, for us. So, here when we see in detail, we can see that crops that are grown in winter season are called rabi crops. Crops that grown in winter season are called rabi crops, and the crops that are grown in summer season are called kharif crop. Okay, remember, in winter season rabi crops and in summer season kharif crops. Okay, so briefly we are covering up the lesson. Okay, so here some steps are given to protect the crops. Then you have to go through this word bank also, because here most of the definitions are given. Okay, we will go briefly through that. You go through these all definitions and remember, what are cotyledons? Seed leaves that store food for the growing plant. Okay, cotyledons, seed leaves that store food for the growing plant. Just remember, cotyledons are the seed leaves. Okay. Next, embryo, the baby plant inside a seed that grows into a new plant. That is embryo. Seedling, a young plant that grows out of a seed. Germination, we have seen. Seed dispersal also we have seen. Crop, a plant that is grown on a farm in large numbers. What is rabi? Winter crop. What is kharif? Summer crop. What are insecticides and pesticides? Listen carefully. Substances used for killing insects and other pests which farmers use. Farmers use this type of medicines, insecticides and pesticides, to kill the insects in the farm. Okay. Irrigation, water supply. Irrigation, water supply. Okay. Here is name the following questions are given. Okay. Outer covering of a seed, seed coat. The part of a seed that contains stored food for the baby plant, cotyledons. The part of a seed that grows into a young plant, embryo. Crops grown in winter, rabi. Crops grown in summer, kharif. Okay. And with this, I am forwarding all the all the pages of textbook lesson number 1 and 2. So go through that, complete your textbook part, and watch this video. Try to understand the concept and try to solve all these questions which are given here. Okay. Almost all the topics we have covered and discussed and revised. So go through it again and again and make your preparation perfect. Okay. To write the exam. periodic assessment 1. So for the science exam, prepare, revise and prepare for exam perfectly. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.